You know something that is cool?
What's
Is
cool?
knowing who you are.
That's
Like,
cool.
if you don't know who you are, you can't be there for your kids to be able to steer them in the right direction when you see certain things in them that you identify with. Like, knowing that you're an ambivert. Like, some people don't even know what that means. An ambivert is really just somebody that exhibits being an extrovert, sorry, and an introvert, qualities at the same time. And having that balance and knowing that you know how far you can go and how far, that you're not willing to go. So it's very important, or you can end up in jail. Or you can end up dead. So it's very, very important. I repeat that just because a lot of people have experienced those moments of not knowing who they are, and they just go.